Yo, thanks for logging in to the Mr. Show. It's a good show, it's a crazy show, it's a reaction show. So right now, people, to stay locked in, Wifey and the Instructor, we talking about things like Pop the Balloon in Jamaica. That one's funny. People splashing, dashing, rest of the sea. You can see the trauma sometimes in some women. Another Pop the Balloon series. And this lady's 42 years old, single, and dating. And she's going to give you some insight on that. And then we got this wicked rap that I want you all to hear. It's got to be the Mr. Show. Log in, stay tuned. It's niceness right here. Let's get going from the top.
Y'all know them? That girl and that guy right there, you know them?
No.
Y'all don't know them?
Yeah.
I know goddamn well that ain't the same person. Yo, what's going on? Ho, what's going on?
What you mean we don't know?
What's up, bro? Who's this?
What are you doing here?
What you mean what am I doing here? Who's
Because
this?
you're supposed to be at work and you here questioning me what I'm doing.
Bro, who are you, bro?
Who this?
This is my husband.
Yeah. Your husband.
How did he feel? How did he feel? He's like, who's it? Who this? Who this? Who this?
Oh, what's going on? Ho, what's going on?
What you mean we don't know?
What's up, bro? Who's this?
What are you doing here?
What you mean what am I doing here? Who's
Because
this?
you're supposed to be at work and you here questioning me what I'm doing.
Bro, who are you, bro?
Who this?
This is my husband.
Yeah. Your husband.
Overbearing.
Well, hold on. That don't even matter. Who is you? It don't matter who I am.
Don't worry about who
I'd rather
he
y'all
is.
two
You
talk.
are always messing with my business. You always
So this
ruining
business,
my
what
business.
business?
Any business I
You a
got, all my
dancer?
industry
Yeah,
stuff,
but
you
dancing
always
fucking
messing with
wild,
stuff.
You-
Don't worry about who
I'd rather
he
y'all
is.
two
You
All her industry stuff. This guy's like, yo, I'm out of this. I'm out of this.
are always messing with my business. You always
So this
ruining
business,
my
what
business.
business?
Any business I
You a
got, all my
dancer?
industry
Yeah,
stuff,
but
you
dancing
always
fucking
messing with
wild,
stuff.
You're a dancing instructor.
Yes, I'm a dance instructor.
We are
Let me
literally
see
trying
you. You're a dancing
Why would
instructor.
I dance?
Man's like, yo, dance.
You know,
Let me see. I gotta make sure, bro. You could be lying,
Make
bro.
sure nothing, bro.
Bro, I gotta make sure you can dance, bro. Oh, no.
you don't see him dance.
Bro,
We are in Starbucks.
look
Why
here.
you
I
acting
don't
like
care what
this?
books. I don't care if we're at Waffle House. I need to.
I don't care what box. Dance.
See if he can dance.
You gotta control this.
Bro, I need to see.
Okay,
Listen. Look. I ain't listen. I'm finna call. If I make this
The Browning, the Browning is like,
phone
Who you
call,
calling Tyrell?
if I make this
Who are you
phone call,
calling?
Starburst gonna be out of it. Ain't no more bucks for being this star. So I need
You
to
ain't
see if this
even
man
got
can dance.
much to be in here.
You better start dancing.
I ain't dancing
You know
for
what?
you, bro.
One of y'all gotta dance, but let me see what you done learned then.
One thing I ain't doing, I ain't dancing for you, bro.
All right, let me see can you dance then,
You
Rolo.
are always
Let me see what you done learned. Let me see what you done
Why
learned.
act like this?
Let me see what you done
I
learned.
don't even want to hear nothing else from your mouth.
Let me see what you done learned.
You don't,
Start dancing.
we are not in the dance studio. We are coming up with our concept.
So y'all coming up with concept right now.
Yes. What else would
So
we
what?
be here?
I don't see no.
All up on
How can you dance with shoes? He ain't got shoes on. Don't.
that man's rocking flip flops.
I ain't even dancing shoes, bro.
I hope you question her. Stop questioning me.
You right. You wrong. Let's go. Take your shit.
Are you,
Let's
who
go.
you talking to? Because I'm not going nowhere with you.
Man, look, man.
Nowhere with
Listen, I'm
you.
gonna count the 10. Nah, I ain't even gonna count. Just bring your ass on. Just let's go. What the fuck are you smiling for? What's so funny, Rolo?
Don't look at my phone.
I
Go
don't see no
somewhere.
dance moves.
You're not going to see no
I'm finna start dancing. Look, both of y'all finna start dancing. I go to this car. Just standing up.
Yo, man, be like, yo, dance, both y'all. Shout out to the Players Club. Anyone remember this movie, The Players Club? We got a little clip here. Listen to this. Watch this.
I'll get you.
Get him. Oh, boy. I remember The Players Club. Good show. A Jamaican man. Yo, you see when him cheat, pa yo? endlessly, and you got cheat back on him. Oh God. In other words, you know, men will go out there and cheat. And the minute that a woman does it back, it's like, although he was cheating endlessly and nonstop, the minute that a woman cheats, it's over.
He needs some
He needs milk, milkshake. It's it's a wrap. So this is the various stages that Jamaican men go through when the woman cheats back on him. Watch out.
Keisha is a orange girl and you're out. And I pray to God somebody will love you again.
How about that, baby?
This is perfect.
Branded.
Keisha, you got fuck tall man without boots.
God, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, right.
Bro code, yo. Branded, yo. Just crashing out. Okay, now this one is for food of thought. I want everyone, women, listen to this because men, we don't handle cheating the same. It hurts us 10 times worse. We cannot manage when a woman cheats. So check this out and listen to this one keenly. Listen.
Let me tell you something. Once you open up your legs for another man while you're in a relationship, it's over for your ass. Understand what I'm saying? In your actual man's eyes, you are now trash.
150% true.
Good, perfect. We're going to keep using that body weight, that pressure.
Oh my God, the newest hustle on the block, ladies. Ladies, stop with the madness, yo. If you're in a relationship and you let anybody hold you up like this, that's not your man. You know what that means. You know what that means. Whoa. Ladies, get it together. Get it together. Let's go.
Good, perfect. We're going to keep using that body weight, that pressure directly on you. Right there. You're doing a great job of doing it again. 3, 2.
And I know it may seem like a double standard, but see, when a woman is with another man while she's in a relationship, it's more of an emotional thing. It's more of an attachment.
Stretch on the lower body. We're getting my body weight, 185 pounds, directly on you to get that full range of motion stretching. How do you feel right now?
Because see, there are a lot of men out here in the world, baby, they can just smash and pass. Understand what I'm saying? No feelings attached. You heard it here first. Yeah.
So what's your body count?
I would say 100.
Oh my God.
He needs some milk.
Now, let's imagine it's your daughter.
100?
100.
Your body count's 100.
Are we counting the bodies or are we counting the souls?
I beg your pardon.
We counted how many people you had sex with.
Probably 100.
She belongs to the streets.
Yep. Return her to the streets.
What is your body count?
Ooh, mine's what, in the 40s, but who really gives a f at the end of the day? She got a list, though. I got a list. People break my heart. I use it for motivation. I'm like, you, your wasn't even that good.
You need some more motivation?
Your case is dismissed. What do you eat today?
All right, so this is a very serious one. You have your girl, you love her to death, hot girl, got piercings, tattoos, all kind of things that you like about her. But guess what she does? You have your son, and she will sit there and eat food in front of your kid and make your kid not get nothing. Let the pitness starve, bro.
Check this out.
Ah, boy. What do you do with a woman like this? Let's check this out.
Check this out.
What do you...
The kid said I ate rice, bro.
Check this out.
You need some more motivation?
Your case is dismissed. What do you eat today?
I ate rice.
What do you mean?
You ate rice. You gave rice before you left.
Just rice? What time is it?
10:09.
I went to work at 1 o'clock.
I know.
So what did you eat the rest of the day?
Told you rice.
Hold on. I really hope you're playing right now.
Yo. Huh? She's even burping, bro. She's even burping, bro. Jesus.
Your case is dismissed.
What he ate today?
I ate rice.
What do you mean?
You ate rice. You gave rice before you left.
Just rice? What time is it?
10:09.
I went to work at 1 o'clock.
I know.
So what did he eat the rest of the day?
I told you first.
Hold on. I really hope you're playing right now.
Playing about what?
So just because he's not your son, mean you don't gotta feed him? As a stepmother.
Like that. Makes a lot of sense.
My son ain't eat since 1 o'clock.
He did. He has milk. So
Are you
where was your antennas? Okay.
At work. Working for you. And for us. To pay these bills.
Most responsible parents would leave their kids with some food. Like, it's not my job to think, huh?
It's food in the fridge. You could have made him some quick food. My son only had rice.
How many times did you tell you
all right. Listen, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I really feel like you should pack your shit and just go. Can't out of my damn house. You're not paying a damn dollar in here. I don't care what you're saying. Ass off thing you. Man, give me this, man. What's your?
Yeah, get her out, bro. She doesn't deserve to be there. But you see this guy right here? Full of game. Bro got game, bro.
Tight. White soccer boys.
Have you ever been with a black guy before?
What's your
Let's
type?
go. Can't. Out of my damn house. You're not paying a damn dollar in here. I don't care what you're saying. Ass off thing you. Man, give me this, man.
What's your type?
White soccer boys.
Have you ever been with a black guy before?
No, I haven't, because I'm a little scared. I won't lie.
What you scared of?
Because what if it's too much for me?
You gotta try it so you can see.
I kind of want to.
Okay, what's the chances we can try that later then?
High. The chances are high.
Let me get you a number then, so we can make it happen.
This mother don't miss.
No, he's good.
That mother don't miss, man.
He's good.
Oh, shit.
Say, mama.
Yeah?
How much for a California snuck and tuck with a wild horse roundup?
Excuse me?
Oh, you not going?
No, I'm waiting for my ride.
Oh, shit. My bad, my bad.
What are you doing?
I just got my new passport in the mail and they changed the gender to male because of Donald Trump.
No. It wasn't because of Donald Trump. It's because you have a dick.
Why did you pop her balloon?
I know his system rough because your mommy say, what should he say in the first part? Say, boy.
Looking for help?
Yeah, and then again.
Yo. I said, why? You want to say the system rough in a true mommy didn't say, yo. Say that again. Pop the balloon in Jamaica.
Why did you pop her balloon?
I know his system rough because your mommy say, what should he say in the first part? Say, boy.
Looking for help?
Yeah, and then again, I read her because I'm a spiritual advisor, you know.
Okay.
So I definitely find out that I'm not the man for her. You understand? But in the future, I see her future clearly. She's gonna get somebody that's very brilliant, a lot of cash. He's gonna win the lottery in America, and he's gonna take care of her.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. And to him?
She's speechless.
Don't be shy.
All right, so shout out to all the ladies from back in the 90s who used to party hardy in the 90s. Remember FREAKNIC? Remember 1995? Where were you 1995? Were you freaking? Were you partying? Let's go.
Hell, I done did some shit I'm trying to forget. I'm still trying to get that taste out my mouth from FREAKNIC 95.
Everyone grab onto your ankles now for me. You're gonna spread open just a little bit to get that full range in the inner thighs.
Oh, that was gross. But you saw the message, right? You know, they used to be doing their thing back in the day before the cell phone, and the husband nowadays, they go and find himself the quiet nerd type. He don't know what she was about unless he was in the streets. He would not know what she was about. Careful, man. Be careful. That's my that message. Keenan, shout out.
Okay, go on with it.
We're going back again 3, going back again 2, going back again 1, and
I love being a cougar, honey. They be cracking me up to the little young bucks and they talk more trash than a little bit.
State your name and where you're from.
Okay, this one is serious. Shout out to the No Fugazi podcast. Watch this.
You talking to me?
I'm talking to you. Welcome to No Fugazi podcast. State your name and where you from.
Oh, she looks like a beautiful queen. Yeah. Empress melanated queen. Yeah. Let's go.
My name is Donquisha, and I'm from Texas.
Donquisha, and you from Texas.
Donquisha, yes.
I think I said it right the first time. Okay, what are you here to debate about?
All right, I want to debate who's more superior, the black man or the black woman?
Hey, I don't want you to take offense to this at all.
Okay.
But when I look at you, I see the pain, I see the aggression. See what I'm saying? I see the hurt, I see the trauma, you know?
And I'm on the side of the black woman being more superior, and I know you on the side of the black man.
You a little aggressive.
I'm a black woman supremacist, and I promote and uplift the black woman by any means necessary. That's what I do.
Okay.
And as a black woman supremacist, this don't affect every woman. It's only for the black woman. What I speak about is specifically. You want me to call you, what is it, Brother Coolio? Yeah. Body. The black woman is more superior than a white man. She's more superior than a black. The black woman is everybody's creator. And when I say everybody's, I'm talking about everybody.
She deserves nothing. Nothing.
What you mean by superior? What's your definition of superior?
A higher quality.
No.
But that's not from the relationship.
But this is it could be from your baby daddy.
No,
my
it's
question,
not.
but
That's
you
not.
said he did you dirty.
That's not, though.
This is my question, though. All right, boom. You've been with a woman for so long, right? In a relationship like that, domestic violence ain't okay, but it's more common. You box, right? You a little aggressive. I'm 5'10", 150 pounds.
I'm
baby.
writing a book, so I really don't want to say, but
I'm 5'10". I see the trauma. I see the hurt.
But that's my dealings, not yours.
But listen, that shit bleed out in relationships
And
onto
it
the
does.
other person.
But I don't
realistic.
never put my problems on the next person. I don't never wake up and be unhappy for the next person. I don't never put what I'm going through on the next person.
Okay, my question to you is, again, I'm 150,
Yes, sir.
5'10". You box. I can fight too. I ain't know. You
But
see
I
what I'm
would
saying?
never. I don't do that.
Are you confrontational?
I do that because I don't
'Cause the
have.
way you
I don't
approach
pick
this-
up guns. I'm used to and I need to protect myself, right?
I can't even.
Shit.
I can't even get my question out. I see. You dig what I'm saying? I'm looking for something soft. Something feminine.
for sure.
Yeah.
I'm trying to be
Feminine.
soft, but you niggas is weak. Niggas is weak. But you niggas is weak. Niggas is weak.
But then the insults come when somebody don't agree with what she's saying. I'm cool.
Yeah.
Hi.
Huh?
I was just saying hi.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
Honestly, I'm just trying to work out.
Y'all know what type of man I don't trust. I don't trust a man that buys candles. I don't trust a man that drinks tea. I don't trust a man with a spinny toothbrush.
Yo, shout out to my editor, the T, the spinning toothbrush. Yo, listen, man, listen. There's certain women that are out there, and they're only out there, and everything that a man says, they're just looking for a reason to disqualify the man. Shout out to the ladies that are looking for reasons to be in a relationship and not looking for reasons to disqualify mans, bro. Let's go.
Y'all know what type of man I don't trust. I don't trust a man that buys candles. I don't trust a man that drinks tea. I don't trust a man with a spinny toothbrush. I don't trust a man that eats sushi. I don't trust a man with a skincare routine. I don't trust a man who exfoliates. You have sugar scrub? Like, huh? What else? I don't trust a man who has like accents in his house. Like, usually when you go into a nigga crib, he probably got a couch, a TV, and a rug.
Hold on.
He needs some milk.
Clearly, you know what type of woman this is and what type of men she deals with, bro. Because, you know, if a man's got his stuff together and he's got his house and he's got his place together and he's got all his, you know, his clothes together, he's one of those guys that likes to dress up and he's very dipper and dapper and all these things. And of course he's going to have two little accents in his house. What's the problem with that? Again, women are always trying to find ways to disqualify themselves or disqualify mans. Talk about independent. Independent from what? Independent from men? Come on now.
Man that buys candles. I don't trust a man that drinks tea. I don't trust a man with a spinny toothbrush. I don't trust a man that eats sushi. I don't trust a man with a skincare routine. I don't trust a man who exfoliates. You have sugar scrub? Like, huh? What else? I don't trust a man who has like accents in his house. Like, usually when you go into a nigga crib, he probably got a couch, a TV, and a rug. You telling me that you got a coffee table with accents on top? Somebody cooked her, and I want you to go back and be with your soulmate, because she's going to be a problem throughout our relationship. She cooked, and I can't do nothing with you, baby. You use body oil gel instead of lotion? No. Give me crusty knuckles, because you, I don't trust you.
Husband is already out there. He's literally already out there. Just
Are you gonna go get him?
I don't have to go get nothing because my pastor taught me the man chases.
Your pastor?
The man chases. I don't have to go chase nothing.
God's not bringing you a man. He's not falling out the sky. If you are not putting in the work, it's never gonna happen. And putting in the work is.
Yo, I'm just gonna manifest today. Come on, man. This man chasing mentality that women have, that God's just gonna manifest anything in life. How about the passage that says that you have to work? You have to work hard, and then God will bless you. You still have to work hard, you know. I paused it right here for the man them that follow me. Shout out. Go ahead.
Husband is already out there. He's literally already out there. Just
Are you gonna go get him?
I don't have to go get nothing because my pastor taught me the man chases.
Your pastor?
The man chases. I don't have to go chase nothing.
God's not bringing you a man. He's not falling out the sky. If you are not putting in the work, it's never gonna happen. And putting in the work is not chasing a career. It's not chasing your education. It's not getting a bag. Chasing your career isn't making sure you're a good woman.
Making
we
sure,
don't care about that.
my bag is up.
We don't care about your bag. You're not gonna chase your career 10 years, chase your education 8 years, and just magically you're a wife. It does not work that way, because they got you valuing money, they got you blinded by the bag, and then time blowing by the time you look up, they wake up 50 going, well, God gonna deliver me a good man. You have to invest to get the man you want. Your beauty only lasts so long. And that's only gonna get you so
You have to say so long to that beauty, because it only lasts so long.
far. Yeah, you can get in the door, you can attract these guys, but like, you're not able to keep them. Bottom line, because if you could, you would be kept.
Why can't men
Ouch.
just be nice to their girls when they don't feel well? Everything that she's complaining about is
Typo, mean.
actually probably your fault. Stress, like from an insensitive man.
Meanwhile, in Brampton, Canada,
Fucking you, bloody, fuck you, bloody, bastard, bitch, you, fuck you, bloody, fuck you, bloody, fucking mother, bloody, fuck, bitch.
and meanwhile in Jamaica,
blood clot knife. That's true, your blood clot, remember that? You bomb clot, Batman. Bitch, you, fuck you, fucking bloody bastard. Benchwood, bloody. Benchwood, you blunder. No, but why? Bloody no. Why? Bloody fucking. If accident, then what you wanna do? Why you fuck me? I fuck you, bloody. Wacky blood clot, boy. Wacky blood clot, boy. Wacky blood clot, boy. Bloody bastard. Fucking running like lady, eh? Bloody.
the arguments in the other languages are crazy. The button's going nuts.
What the fuck, man? Fucking now shout at me, innit? Move in front of me, Mayo. Move in front of me, man. Move in front of me. Why are you shouting at me? Because I am going to the work.
Ouch, Jamaica.
If you don't do, you do the other places. Why are you shouting? Because of this, you are doing. I don't know. You are doing like this. I think you are going to accident. No, shouting at me no good, man. Me no shout at you. But the thing is that, what you think if you do like this one? You are going at work and somebody else. But that like one, this. If you running like that one. Move right in front of me. Come. Let me shovel, man.
Yo, the man juke him with the shovel. Let me cover this in case the man go juke him again. Yo, I didn't expect that.
What are you doing with me, yeah?
What?
I will kill you. Look for me, good.
What, yeah?
Come on, Arthur.
Arthur. Brother Arthur. Wow. Arthur, now player. All right. Let's go.
On a fucking fall, innit? But hurting yourself. But yeah, because of this, I saved myself. That one very icy road, man. Okay, have a nice day. Bye-bye.
What's your age?
42.
After all that argument, they're like, okay, have a nice day. 42? Is she single? What y'all think about her, guys? Let's go.
Are you single?
Yes, I am.
Do you think that men your age are going for older or younger women?
Younger.
Why?
Social media.
What about it?
OnlyFans, these young wild girls that are on there and just revealing themselves. I think it's just a different generation now. You have a lot of accessibility to a lot of different type of women, and unfortunately, that's a man's weakness, and they fall short.
And where do older women fall short?
I don't think women are as weak as men. I hate to say that.
In what sense?
In the sense of women are a man's downfall. I mean, it's been proven over and over. Yes, there's women out there that cheat, but it's more known for men to do that.
Well, it all goes back to women at the end of the day, right?
Yeah. Listen, if you love someone, you're loyal. Man or woman.
Why do you think you're single at 42?
The man I was with for 9 years cheated on me a week before our wedding.
Keisha, may I beg you please pick up a phone. The one you hot mama, me not gonna lie, turn on me fire upon that one your mama. Keisha, me go bumbo clock, tell myself real this time, yeah. Large Axdale? Hold on. Yeah, me that. Keisha, I look of food me go get. Cause me never want dead for hungry belly. Oh God, Keisha. Keisha, you go fuck tall man without boots? Keisha, you can't say artist and have look of conscience. Keisha, me not try to frighten you. But you know say tall man sick, right? Every time you see tall man, supplement and nutriment. My girl, you have a pre-wag one. Done said Keisha. Look how you move done slick. Keisha, for real, yo. I say I gotta deal with the thing. Keisha, I say I gotta deal with the thing. Keisha, I say I gotta bumbo clock deal with the thing. Keisha, make sure you and Talman have a happy life, yeah? Wanna be great. Talman have to go kill me for you, yeah?
Yo, road boy, young man, don't be this guy.
Know that. A lot of these fake black leaders won't understand it.
Okay, now I'm going to end it off with this rap. It's so good. Listen to this.
They just gonna tell you to vote and get nothing. So I'm about to put you on game how to get something. First step is something called SAR. You gotta understand this or you won't get that far. Listen up. It stands for self-administered reparations. This is a key fact to land your foundation. Number 2, open up a tax-free business. If you're a black American, you got a right to get this. Here's an example of mine, so don't stress. And then you'll get a master file with the IRS. Number 3, open up a garnish-free account. You don't need these folks taking all the money you amount. See, the system attacks your money from all angles. So I'ma show you how to be tax-free and stable. Number 4, you never heard this before, but if you own your shack, no more property tax. Number 5, learn about human rights, not civil rights. Civil rights is just that far. Listen up. It stands for self-administered reparations. This is a key fact to land your foundation. Number 2, open up a tax-free business. If you're a black American, you got a right to get this. Here's an example of mine, so don't stress. And then you'll get a master file with the IRS. Number 3, open up a garnish-free account. You don't need these folks taking all the money you amount. See, the system attacks your money from all angles. So I'ma show you how to be tax-free and stable. Number 4, you never heard this before, but if you own your shack, no more property tax. Number 5, learn about human rights, not civil rights. Civil rights is just permission. Human rights is good for life. Number 6, gotta learn your genealogy, not the DNA test, but the records that they keep. Number 7, understand nationality. As a 14th Amendment slave, you will not be free. Free person applies to white posterity. When they made you a citizen, they took out the word free. Number 8, gotta learn real history. Most of us didn't come off boats originally. Number 9, your reparations is for genocide, not for slavery. And here's the reason why. Our genocide still happen until today. And they don't need a study like what they trying to say. Number 10, the General Assemblies and
So this. Oh wow! Did y'all pre that information, that rap? All right, shout out to the Players Club. Ladies, have you ever had a stalker? For real, for real? Check this out.
It's your apartment, huh, Don?
What do you want?
Can I come in?
Hell no, don't you ever come to my house again. I'm gonna call the police on you.
Why? I always make sure you get home safe.
Meanwhile in Jamaica.
All right, my son. Have a great day at school, yeah? I remember Daddy love you.
God.
Please, please. I need you coming, please.
Absolutely crazy. And thanks for logging into the Mr. Show. Big respect. No, we don't.